Little Mia loved the baby shark song more than anything. Every morning she danced around her room singing along with the catchy tune. One sunny day, Mia was at the beach with her family. As she splashed in the shallow waves, she sang the song aloud. Suddenly, a small shadow appeared in the water. It was a baby shark. Unlike the ones in books, it looked playful, wiggling its tiny tail. Mia's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Baby shark!" she exclaimed, clapping her hands. She sang softly and the shark seemed to twirl around happily. The baby shark brought a shiny seashell and nudged it toward Mia. She picked it up, feeling its smooth surface. Mia's mum noticed and gently said, "That's amazing, but let's not get too close." Mia nodded, understanding her mum's care. As the tide rose, the baby shark wiggled away, pausing to glance back at Mia. It was time to say goodbye. "Goodbye, baby shark," Mia waved, holding the seashell tightly. The shark dipped under the water and disappeared. Mia kept the seashell as a special treasure, a memory of her magical encounter. She often told her friends the story. Every time Mia sang the baby shark song, she imagined the playful little shark twirling in the waves. Kindness and curiosity can create unforgettable moments, even with the smallest creatures in nature. Always treat them with respect and care.
Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.